In 10 minutes, you can make the best chicken and corn egg drop soup. I'll show you the secret to make the perfect egg ribbons every time. It's better than your favorite takeout place. Cut a chicken breast into small cubes. Season it with salt and white pepper. Do you prefer chicken breast or chicken thighs for soups like this? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. Chop some scallions. In a bowl, crack 4 eggs into it. Whisk until smooth. In a small bowl, add cornstarch. You can also replace it with sweet potato starch or arrowroot starch. Then mix it with water to make a slurry. It helps to thicken the soup. In a pot over high heat, add the unsalted chicken stock. Season it with salt. Bring it to a simmer. Add the chicken and defrosted frozen corn kernels. Cook for about 2 minutes until completely cooked through. I always keep a bag of frozen corn in my freezer. It's such a lifesaver for a quick soups like this. So what is your go-to freezer staple? Stir in the cornstarch slurry and let the soup thicken. Reduce to medium heat. Slowly add the eggs in a circular motion. Here's my favorite tip. For thinner egg ribbons, stir as you pour. For larger egg ribbons, wait a few seconds before stirring. So which one do you like better? Now we're going to turn to high heat. Add the chopped scallions, a dash of sesame oil, and a pinch of white pepper. When I was in college, this soup was my ultimate comfort food. Quick, filling, and cozy. And if you want the perfect pairing, check out my 3 minutes fried rice recipe right here. Egg drop soup is like a blank canvas. You can add anything you like in it. So comment below and let me know what your favorite egg is. If you'd like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description box. Subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes or less Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye! Thank you so much for watching.